Krafty Kashen, and today we are going to be making a leprechaun cake. And today I have a special guest, and her name is Megan, and she is my cousin. And so what we are going to be making on the cake, well, it's vanilla cake. And we are going to be making like hearts, and me and Megan are just going to design it ourselves.
Yeah.
But the whole cake we're going to frost white first. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is Megan's first time and making a video for YouTube. And so we are going to start off by greasing the pan, which we already did, and then we're gonna put all the ingredients in. So, wait, hold on. Let's put the cake batter in, well, the cake stuff in, the powder. Megan, do you wanna help me put the butter in?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, you can put the water first.
So that's 2/3 cup of water.
Yeah, and then we'll do the butter. You scoop it out.
How much butter is that?
I don't know. That's like, it says
1/2?
1/2.
1/2.
Here, wait, yeah. Do it like,
Yeah.
here, how about I do scooping? You hold this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold on, Megan, like, yeah, here, hold it this way. Oh,
Right.
darn it! Okay. Okay, so now we did the butter, which Acacia helped us. Now we are going to pour the vanilla in. Come on, Megan. Okay. Pour it in. Oh, look, it doesn't, like, stick to the, yeah, it doesn't stick to the, okay. Now we're going to put the eggs in.
You can put the eggs in. You're doing good. Good job.
Then you can put the shell inside that bag.
Inside the bag.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the second egg.
Thank you. We'll have to wash our hands after this. Well, at least my hands.
Yeah.
You can do it on the table. There you go.
There you go.
Here it goes.
Oh gosh, ow, ow.
Here.
I can feel the yolk.
There you go. There you go. And here's the final egg.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands, but
I
you
know,
don't
like-
really have to, Megan.
Maybe Megan can stir while you wash.
Yeah. Well, we can both stir. Like, she stirs a little bit first, and then
You can grab another one.
oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, feel that, Megan.
Now Megan has to wash her hands.
Oh yeah, now Megan.
All right,
has to-
hand washing, go.
Okay, so now we put almost all of the stuff in, and now we have to mix. Me and Megan have to mix. Remember to get the butter on the side, Megan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It looks disgusting right
Yeah.
now. It actually is good when it's done. Yeah. And it's good right now, actually.
It smells good.
Mmm. There's just, it smells like there's just a hint of cinnamon. I mean, not cinnamon, vanilla.
Yeah. Just a hint of vanilla.
Not cinnamon.
Let's get the butter. Let's get the butter on the side. There you go.
Batter, batter.
Pattern. The two.
Look at ours are the same.
Yeah.
Now, if you like this cake video, make sure to subscribe and like, and comment down below which cake you would make if it was St. Patrick's Day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can I try some?
How'd your cake turn green?
Oh, we just food dyed it.
Food color dyed.
Can I taste it?
Sure.
Let's try it. See if it tastes good.
Mmm.
It does.
That's good.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so the cake is in the pan. We're gonna bake it
Mm.
and then decorate it. What are you guys doing?
Making the batter.
Making the batter.
Yummy.
Every kid's favorite part, baking a cake.
So we have blue raspberry, strawberry, watermelon, and let's taste it all together. That's delicious. See? All the colors. Now, what about frosted cake? Yeah, we need that. Yeah, we need this.
I got this side. This wants to fall. I'm gonna put it up here. So it won't fall.
That's all right. Leave the knife out.
Can I have the green? Who's under us?
Ted.
You're under the table. I know.
Look at what I did.
Oh. Look at mine on my side. Look at my side. Oh, I didn't make that. This is my side.
I'm gonna make a pot of gold. I'm making a pot of gold.
Come on out.
Okay, so now that we've finished our cake, as you can see, and we put filling in it. And so, as you can see that we did our cake, and so this is what it looks like, and I can tell you about everything. So this is a clover. What is that, Megan?
A heart.
A heart. Those are little dots. Then I tried to do a clover right there, and then tried to do a heart. I tried to do a pot of gold. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
And make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.